Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you first 10 things to do after setup on a Motorola Moto G87. First, let's go into settings and connect to our Wi-Fi. So press network and internet, then Wi-Fi, and choose your Wi-Fi. Then type in the password, and you're connected. Next, let's add our Google account. So let's go back, press on Google, and sign in. Now, type in your Google address. Now next. And now enter your password. After typing it in, press on next. I will be using this device. I agree. Accept. Now you can go back. Next thing to do is setting up your lock screen. So scroll down to security and privacy, device unlock, and screen lock. Let's set up a password. And now set up a fingerprint unlock. Remember to change the position slightly while scanning your fingerprint. Now we press on done and go back. Now let's make sure RAM boost is on. So let's go back, then go into system and performance. As you can see, it's on. Next thing you can do is setting up Moto gestures. So let's go back and go into gestures. Then turn on 3-finger screenshot. You press 3 fingers and it will take a screenshot. Second thing to do is quick capture. With a twist of your wrist, you'll turn on the camera. And fast flashlight. With chopping motion, you can turn on and off your flashlight. Next thing you can turn on is sleep mode. So let's go back. Go into home screen and lock screen, then sleep display and turn it on. And now, if you tap your phone, the sleep display will turn on. Next, remember to install essential apps for you. So log into your Google Play. And install whatever apps you need. And when it downloads, it will show on your home screen. Next thing you can do is run a camera test to check all your lenses. So pick up your phone, take a quick photo in a few modes to check if everything is okay. And lastly, you can go and check for updates. So go back, go to System Updates, and check for updates. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.